This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Sharon Baker. Luxury living in one of Williamsburg's newer 55-plus older communities, which is currently sold out. Built in 2023, this like-new Palladio Floorplan home is a masterpiece of main-level living with a gourmet kitchen, upgraded cabinets, west/down lighting, subway tile backsplash, extra-large island, quartz counters, double ovens, gas cooking, and walk-in pantry. Large open dining and family room west/gas fireplace west/slatesurround, deluxe primary bedroom west/large walk-in closet and ensuite bath west/Roman shower, versatile flex space that can be converted toanother bedroom, full bath and guest bedroom. Lovely screened-in porch west/decorative fence, amazing flower beds, plants, planters, trees, edging rocks and trellis. Amenities include a pool, clubhouse, walking trails, dog park and bocce ball courts. BuiltSmart Certified. October 21, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Baker at 757-814-9440.